Jack, what are you doing? Are you playing peekaboo with the hat? Oh, you're silly. Today is Thursday, December 20th, and we're just hanging out upstairs in the bonus room and trying to get ready for Christmas. And Jack right now is intrigued with our hats. He made me get them down off the door. Where's Jack? Peekaboo! Do you like to wear the hat? That's Daddy's James Bond hat. Is that a buckle? It's a buckle on your pants. Yeah, Jack's not sure what to make of the overalls. This was one of Gabriel's outfits. Pull it? No, you're supposed to leave it on. You're supposed to leave it latched. Are you going to read?
A bus.
You're going to read about the bus? Okay.
A bus, a bus.
Lots of buses. What color?
And the bus.
So, yeah, what color is the bus?
Oh, yellow.
It's yellow. Say that again. What color?
A bus.
What color is the bus?
Yellow.
Yellow. He's starting to say yellow the way you're supposed to say it.
Car.
Car.
A car, a car. A bus, a bus, a bus, a bus.
Yeah, there are a lot of buses in that book.
A bus, a bounce. A bus, a bus. My bus, a big bus.
Good job. Good reading. What's that book about? What is it?
I want hot.
What is that book? What are those? Are those different kinds of bears? See, that's a book you got from Miss Edie. Those are special. Do you want to read it?
Amy.
Yeah, I'll read it with you. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye-bye. Blow me a kiss. Blow Mommy a kiss. No kiss? Okay, bye-bye.